I have my mask on.
Yeah, it's not covering your nose. And did you not hear that? Oh, there you
You're
go.
obtrusive and rude and disrespectful.
Cool.
You need to back
What
up.
about this gentleman?
You need to back up, bro. Okay, you're disrespecting us and you need to back up.
I don't
and
give
go
a
some other
flying
direction.
fuck.
Please stop following us.
Yeah, it's cool. Put your mask on.
You're really bored, huh? Don't you need to
No.
get groceries?
No.
Isn't that why you came here? Why did you come here?
Just, you know, fishing.
You're just fishing?
Yeah.
Okay. Or you're about to catch a shark.
Cool. You got something you want to say to the world? You're walking away like you got a little shame in your game here, bud. Is there something about the mask you're opposed to?
Okay, seriously? You
Yeah,
need to go do
seriously.
your own thing.
Cool. Thanks.
I'm gonna call security.
Do it. I'd love that.
Would you?
I would. Call
What
him,
are you doing?
please.
Okay, this guy right here is
This guy just informed me about it.
Yeah, you're not listening.
It's like it's an actual law now. To be in here, you have to have the mask.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate the way you put it.
Cool.
I don't want to like.
I'm sure it's the first time you heard that, right? It's the first time you've encountered somebody?
I'm sure I'm about to spend my money to this guy. Can you ask him to stop recording me?
I'm not. I don't want to like escalate the situation, but it's not
Well,
like
he's
this is a big
the
deal.
aggressor. Can you ask him?
I'm not the aggressor here, buddy.
Dude, what are you recording me for?
Because I have family members who've died from COVID, bud, and you don't seem to care.
Bro, this isn't social distancing. Okay? You're actually disrespecting me because you're in my space.
Did you just walk up to me?
Yeah.
Because I didn't take a step.
Yeah, I did. So protect yourself.
Go make yourself
You need
famous.
to get the fuck out of our space. Like, seriously, back off.
Why don't you stay home?
You're going to be staying home now because I got COVID. You're going to get sick now.
Sweet. Nice.
They're disgusting and insensitive and
It's all good.
unkind.
It's all good.